What's up everyone, I am Toko Tyler, and today I'm going to take a look at the DX Progrise Key Connector and Amazing Hercules Progrise Key set. So basically, the bulk holder for the gimmick that also comes with another part of the gimmick, or another gimmick itself. So it holds Progrise keys and it comes with a Progrise key. Probably only getting this to get the Progrise key that it comes with, but it's a holder, it's something to display all them on, it stacks them up. It's okay, but I mainly got it for the Progrise key, just to be honest. But yeah, so here is Progrise key there, Amazing Hercules. There is the connector with Progrise keys on it. 01 up there, just to show that it belongs to him. Here is Hirobi and Jin, because they are actually in possession of the Hercules Progrise key. There it is again, Progrise key, holder, 01, Vulcan, and Valkyrie. And then the stuff on the back, let me lift the camera up. All the things it does, place it in. The Progrise key works in the driver and the shot riser, and the things it does on its own. Sorry, out of focus. And of course, there's do not eat your toys, but anyway, let's get into this. And here they both are, so we'll just go over this last because this has all the sounds and everything, and this is very simply just a piece of plastic. So here is the Progrise key connector. It does stand up on its own like this, and it is very tall, so my camera cannot get the whole thing in it. But yeah, so it fits 4 Progrise keys, and to my knowledge, they are going to have actual just releases of these. So there will be releases of the connector that do not come with this Progrise key, so you can just have rows of them basically, but it's fine. There's nothing terrible about it. The connection is a bit weird versus like the holder that you get with Cheetah, but otherwise it's fine. I don't have any major problems with it. Take a Progrise key, place it in like so, and it locks in. It is kind of a loose connection, but it'll stay in there. It wiggles a little bit. Just don't go shaking it around like this. So, but yeah, it fits pretty well. I have a few more Progrise keys just to show it off. Got Blazing Tiger, we'll put up there. Rising Hopper, Biting Shark, and of course Shooting Wolf. Just because these are my 4 favorite Progrise keys so far. Here they are. Just stands tall like so. It does wobble, but otherwise it's fine. Like I said, I have no problems with it. It is just to display Progrise keys, and there you go. So that's the Progrise key holder. Pretty cool. But now to get for what we came here for, the Amazing Hercules Progrise key. So real quick, we'll just go over the sounds and everything. Here is Amazing Hercules. Very cool. Very nice, like light green, like a lime green. It kind of fades into Rising Hopper's yellowish green, so it kind of works with the whole Progrise keys, making a rainbow of them. It looks good. I like it. So it's a proper green Progrise key finally. But yeah, so there is the image up there. Amazing Hercules. Ability strong. Open it up. There is the robot version. Very cool. Now on to the sounds. I love that. It's like they're pronouncing it. I don't know. It's like it has an accent or something. It's just the way it says strong is so cool.
Hercules Beetle ability.
Was that? Just listen to it. It just sounds really cool.
Hercules strong.
I just like the way it's pronounced. That's so fun. Okay. And just while it's open.
Hercules Beetle ability.
Pretty cool. So now we're just gonna pull in the driver, get right into this. Let's see if I can find the on switch.
01 driver. Authorize. Progrise. Alive, Leroy, surprise. Amazing Hercules. With mighty horn-like pincers that flip the opponent helpless.
That's pretty cool. Okay. And an awesome image. pretty cool. The insect ones are actually starting to be really cool, like Scorpion, Rising Hopper, and all those ones. They're actually pretty cool looking as far as their design. So, got that little lime green iris in there. Pretty cool. So, now onto the attack.
Amazing impact!
And we'll just scan it a couple times. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Kind of works with it and everything. I like that. That looks pretty good with the, like, again, that color of green just really pops when it's in a driver. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now on to the kick. That actually has some pretty cool music to it. I just noticed that. That's pretty awesome. Okay. So, that's the shot riser. And now, real quick, we'll use the attaché caliber. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the connector and amazing Hercules Progrise key set. Pretty cool Progrise key, I have to say. I do like that, and that is the reason I got this anyway. But the holder's not bad. I still prefer something like I called it a holder, sorry, the connector. I still like the holders for the belt. Those have a really nice tight hold on the Progrise keys when you have them in there, versus this where they kind of wiggle a bit. It's kind of weird, but they are meant to just be standing. You're not meant to like carry them even though they have a handle. It's just for display purposes, I think, and it's perfectly fine as a display thing, just as long as you don't move it around too much. And like I said, it does keep them in pretty well, but yeah. There have been people who say they do fall out if you give it enough force, but for me, I haven't had a problem with it. So anyway, the only reason I got it was for this. This is a really good Progrise key, but not a bad display item for your Progrise keys. Just like with the Pandora panels from Build. Not a bad display piece at all. So thumbs up for this. Definitely love Amazing Hercules for sure. And that just about does it for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified of future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.